All right, I'm going to go through how to do at least the first phase of the fuselage. So that's the main body of the airplane. So we can kind of see some measurements in here, the total length, and then we got like the length of the smaller section. If we go to here, we can see the height along with the height of the nose piece right there. And then we got the height of the back tail end. So I took a screenshot of the sketch that I did. So we're going to go off of this because it's probably a little easier for everyone to visualize. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by making a rectangle of the whole block, basically. And then we're going to put in these other measurements and these lines, and that's basically what's going to be cut off. And we're going to extrude the inside. So this might take a little while for you if you're getting used to Onshape or trying to see how to do a little more complex part than just a cube or puzzle cube shape. So let's do this. I started setting it up here, but I'm going to show how to, remember, you add a new part studio. So this should be going on with your wing. And then you're going to name it. I don't know why this is doing it. You're going to rename it Fuselage. So I'll rename this one here, and I'll see which one ends up being better. But Fuselage, and that's do for my sake here. So what you're going to do is you're going to start a sketch. I'm going to do the front view. It's the most detailed view of my part. Click front, just like we've been always doing. And then I'm going to go back to my picture. So I want to do a rectangle that's 8.75 by 1.34. So I go in here and I'm going to use the rectangle tool. You can use the corner to corner rectangle, or you can use like a center rectangle. I'm just going to use the center. So it kind of centers it at the origin. And then you basically just it does not matter how long you make it, or how big you make it, because when you click down, then it's going to put a box around, whatever one you want to start with. So I'm going to go back to my drawing, and then we have 7.85 is the bottom, so I'm going to hover over that, type 7.85, and enter. Go to the next one, I go to 1.34, enter. So there's our basic rectangle. I'm not going to finish the sketch yet because I'm going to add our other dimensions in there. So this is where I'm going to go fairly quick, but you can always pause or go back to it as needed. I'm going to do a 6.6 line across the top from the left, and then the same distance from the right. So I'm going to go back to my line tool. I click here, and I go to the right. It does not matter where I click, because then I'm going to type 6.6 after I click, hit enter. I don't want to connect there, so I'm going to escape my line. I'm going to do a line at the bottom. Across here. And 6.6 enter. Like that line. All right. Now my next step is I'm going to have a line that goes basically from, let me go back to my picture. From the top on this side. So click up here, line down, and that was 0.81. And then that line is going to connect back to here. It does not matter how long, well, it does matter how long it is, but we don't need to worry about it because it's just basically connecting to that other point. And then on the other side, we're going to do 0.47 from the bottom. This is my nose. So I kind of flipped this around from the picture because I wanted my nose to be facing this way, the nose of the airplane. So got my timer on for 30 seconds. So from the bottom, I'm going to go up. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Yeah. Oh, I didn't click. 0.47, enter, and then connect to here, and then click your sketch, and then we're going to extrude it.